how to save your group tabs in Chrome or Brave. In this video, you'll learn how to save your group tabs and keep your sanity intact. When we create tabs within our Google, they look like this, and we can actually create groups to keep them organized. But the problem is that every time we close our window, our tabs are not saved. So there are different tricks to actually save your tabs, and the first one is really easy. All you have to do is click on these three dots, then click on Settings. Within your Chrome settings, you have to go to Start, Home, and New Tabs, or it can also be found within History. And then you will find this option which says when your Chrome or your browser starts, it should open a new tab page or open tabs from the previous session. Now you have to select this option. Every time you will open up your window, every time you will browse, it will open up your pages, your tabs from the previous session. And this way we can save all of our tabs and groups that we created. Another trick is using the Google Chrome shortcut, which is Ctrl+Shift+T. If you hit this, it will also open up your previous tabs that you had created. To save your tabs, also make sure to pin your tab groups every time you create a new group. This way they will appear at the top and you will be able to access them anytime. Before you go, I want to know, have you tried saving your group tabs in Chrome or Brave yet? If not, give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Watch this video next, how to create tab groups in Chrome or Brave.